clap. Yo.
Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my TCA cross and microneedling at the same time, but before that let me show you my skin. As you can see, I have pimples, but those on my cheeks are no longer active. And this is my day 7 from my last microneedling session. And today I decided to do my microneedling and TCA cross session together or at the same time. Actually, I already tried this once, but using Dermapen. Alright, so these are the materials and the products that I'll be using. Alright, so I'll be using the 100% TCA solution. And then I'll be using the Banish 2.0 for my microneedling tool or the Derma Stamp tool. And then the plastic cup or container for the solution or the TCA solution. And then for the applicator, I'll be using the wooden toothpick. And then we also need a isopropyl alcohol. And then next is cotton pads. Yes. Alright, so to start with the procedure, so I just transferred a small amount of the solution in the plastic container. So this is the only amount that I need for all of my scars. Alright, and then next I will wipe my skin or the areas that I need to treat with an alcohol. Yes, I know that alcohol shouldn't be used on our skin, especially on our face, but that's how the process is. This is to disinfect the skin or the area that needs to be treated, and also to remove the excess oil and dirt. And then I will just let it air dry. And then so here I started with doing the microneedling using the Banisher tool. So I decided to puncture my skin first for it to be inflamed, because I noticed that after my microneedling, while my skin is still swelling, my scars are more visible. And that's also one of the reasons why I decided to do it at the same time. And also, if you will notice, I am not puncturing my face or my skin at once. So what I'm doing is I'm puncturing a specific area first, and then after I will put or apply the TCA solution. So I decided to do this because I am thinking if I'll do the microneedling at once or puncture my face at once, the swelling of my skin will not be equal. So there will be some parts of my face or some areas that are no longer swelling, so I can no longer see more clearly where my scars are. So for me, this is the best thing to do. So yeah, it is very time consuming, but yes, this is for my skin to look better, so I'll be patient. And just a reminder everyone, so I'm not encouraging you to also do this at home, especially if you are just a beginner, you don't have any idea or knowledge of how to properly do the TCA cross and also the microneedling. Please do more research about it before doing anything, okay? And for those people who are also planning to try it and who just started doing the TCA cross at home, don't be scared if your scars look bigger, more wider after the procedure or after like few hours or few days from the procedure. That is normal, everyone, so don't panic, everyone. What I can suggest is keep your skin moisturized, always wear sunscreen, and as much as possible stay away from the sun or avoid direct sun exposure. This is to lessen the chance of developing hyperpigmentation or dark marks or dark spots on our skin. But if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and then I'll answer it. And also, I am planning to do a Q&A video, which I will gather all of the questions about TCA cross and also microneedling, and then I will answer it or discuss it in the video. Alright everyone, so please like and share this video and also leave your comment or questions. And please don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my social media accounts. Alright, so this is my face look after the procedure. So as you can see, my whole face is still red and still have, a few frosting on my face. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to like and share and please subscribe. Bye! Mwah.